How to turn on or off dark mode on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off dark mode on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Now click on those three lines up there. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Now scroll down until you find dark mode. Click on it and you have on, off, or use system settings. You can turn off or on this one, and you can also they use system settings will adjust you appearance based on your device's system settings. So this is it. You choose wherever you want. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.